Lantiseptic Original Skin Protectant, 12 ounces. Packaging by Lantiseptic is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. Lantiseptic Original Skin Protectant is formulated with 50% lanolin and has become the product of choice in long-term care facilities. This unique formula helps prevent and treat a variety of minor skin irritations. The emollient barrier ointment contains both lanolin and petrolatum, which provides long-lasting protection from chafing and excessive moisture, limiting exposure which can significantly weaken skin. Lantiseptic Original Skin Protectant helps maintain skin integrity and reduce breakdown, making it the product of choice for superior protection. Lantiseptic Original Skin Protectant helps promote the healing of skin injuries and serves as a first aid treatment by supporting the body's natural healing process. Lantiseptic Skin Protectant is enriched with 50% lanolin, which provides a moisture barrier to help maintain skin integrity. Helps prevent and treat skin irritations. Protects chafed skin or minor skin irritations due to incontinence. Helps seal out wetness. Treats diaper dermatitis, rash. The product of choice in long-term care facilities. No added fragrance. This product treats, helps prevent and treat a variety of minor skin irritations. Perfect for ulcer-prone skin, reddened skin, or cracked skin. Gently cleanse and dry area. Apply liberally to affected area as needed. Packaging may vary. Dermarite Industries acquired the rights to the Lantiseptic brand in 2018. Dermarite has opted for a more natural full-spectrum lanolin because this form captures the natural goodness of lanolin without removing any of its naturally occurring beneficial constituents. Packaging and consistency of product may vary during this transition.